Hi, today Bas is going to help me show you how to use Stimulability Character Cards, it's a mouthful, Stimulability Character Cards to help develop speech sounds. So what we start off with is we're going to show the cards and have a simple posting activity. Now the reason why you use Stimulability Character Cards is to firstly check what sounds a child can say and what they're stimulable for, so we can teach them how to say that speech sounds, and which sounds would be so hard for them that they can't say it. That means it's not stimulable. So in this type of therapy, it's really one that's really good to use at home, because you can use these cards and it's an error-free kind of learning, so it's a nice relaxing one to use. And also what it helps with is when we do the request and return taking activity, it's an opportunity for a child to practice those speech sounds. Okay, you ready?
Hello.
Now, the first one we're going to do is
Cute little baby bear.
yes, baby bear. You ready to post it?
Baby bear.
Bye, baby bear.
And you're going to survive and won't get eaten.
He's not going to get eaten, that's right. Ooh, now, can I have this one? Giant giraffe. Giant giraffe, thank you.
Now he can't get eaten.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like that guy. He's so weird.
This one's thinking thumb. Do you want to feed thinking thumb to one of our animals? Okay,
yeah.
So we can do a posting activity, or we can use some puppets or animals to feed. So would you like to feed thinking thumb to the crocodile or to the pelican?
The fiercest and hungriest and the softest and the powerfulest.
The pelican. Yeah, you mean the crocodile.
He's the powerfulest.
Okay, are you ready? So first you're going to ask for the card. So we're going to go thinking thumb. Yeah, thinking thumb. Great job. Okay, are you ready? We're going to feed it to the crocodile. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my goodness, he ate it all up. Okay, now can I feed the crocodile, please? I need Zippy Zebra.
Zip.
Zippy Zebra, please. Oh, thank you. All right, are you ready? Will you do the munching?
Yeah.
There you go. Ready, steady. Oh, poor Zippy Zebra. Right.
He's rotated out.
So what I sometimes do is I ask for a speech sound that I know he can say, but I want him to ask for one that he doesn't usually say, so that gives him an opportunity to practice it. Okay, here comes another one. This is Shy Sheepy. What are we going to do with Shy Sheepy? Feed a puppet or post it?
Feed a puppet.
Feed a puppet. So which puppet are we going
The
to?
dumbest. He's the dumbest.
We don't use the word dumb.
The
silliest.
The silliest.
Okay,
And the
all
weirdest.
right. Are you ready? Shy Sheepy.
Sheepy.
We do it with our quiet sound. Shy Sheepy. Yes, that's brilliant. Okay, you
Now
ready?
make him go under there.
Is it in his tummy yet? He hasn't swallowed it yet. Ah, there it is. Shy Sheepy is in his tummy. Okay, should we do another one?
Ooh,
That is Talkie Turkey.
No.
What do you think about Talkie Turkey? Shall I do this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I post it? Okay. I have Talkie Turkey. Thank you. And it goes. Oh, I spat it out. Bird. Oh my goodness. Punchbox had a big bird.
He
That's a
ate.
bit rude.
This time he ate him. He swallowed the two others.
Now this one's Naughty Newt.
Can I feed him to the pelican?
Yes, who do you want to feed to the pelican?
Naughty Newt.
That's it, Naughty Newt. Okay, here we go. Bye, Naughty Newt. You're going to be eaten.
Hey, can I do the eating this time?
course you can. This is coughing cow.
Coughing cow. Actually, he's poured. He's poured. Let's do the letter.
Oh, you feeling sorry for the coughing cow because he's feeling sick? Yeah? So does it mean he's going to be posted? Okay. You ready? Do you want me to post it or do you want to post it?
I'll post it.
Okay. Coughing cow.
Coughing cow.
Nice one. That's it. So that's how you can use Stimulability Character Cards to help develop speech sounds. Now, if you go to the website link, you can find a link to downloading these cards for use, and you can also see an explanation of how and why we use it, because the research shows us that children's stimulability for saying these sounds increase when we do this activity. Thank you. Bye.
Alright, bye.